There's quite a bit of work in creating these bracket feet in the front corners of the serpentine chest. Now, this is all glued together. It's two parts. As shown in the drawing here, there's a side piece and then there's a front piece. There are two different designs actually, because they have a different shape, eventual shape. And so they're connected on a miter joint with a spline. And so to get the thickness, I glued up rectangular pieces, and then I cut the miter joint and also this angled joint as well, using the bandsaw, roughing it, and then using a block plane to smooth that out and get it down to its proper dimension. So I've kept these roughed out, and now it's going to be a matter of shaping to the final shape. This is the way the top, there'll be a shape lined up with a serpentine shape both on the side and on the front. Now there was an extra piece just pasted onto the main part of the leg, foot here, because I need that to screw into the bottom of the side, the bottom edge of the side. So I'll screw that in from the bottom, I think. So there's this template that I've marked on the surface here to show how that'll eventually be shaped that way. But then there's also this part will be carved out in the shape. Well, I'll first cut this scroll shape here and then carve out this pattern on the final sweep of this front face. Then also there will be a small fret that will be placed on this faces out to the 45 degrees at the corner, and there'll be a shape that looks like this that will be pasted onto this flat area at the corner, the final corner. And then of course I've got to get this shape cut out on both feet. So I've used this template to mark out that shape, and then I've got another template that marks out this shape over here. And I'll be bandsawing cuts in at an angle, and then maybe using chisels or whatever to get rid of the major waste, and then filing to match up with the curve shape. And of course this is very thick here to cut all this at once. And that's going to be the next phase of finalizing these bracket feet.